In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert arrows in WPS Office. Adding arrows to your document is a simple way to make your content more visually engaging, highlight important points, or show directions. There are a few different ways to do this, and I'll guide you through each method step by step so you can choose the one that works best for your needs. First, let's look at inserting arrows using the Symbol feature. Start by tapping the Insert tab at the top of your screen. From there, tap Symbol and then choose More Symbols. A dialog box will appear, and here you can navigate to the Subset section. To quickly get to the arrows, press ARR on your keyboard, and it will bring you directly to the arrow symbols. Scroll through the options and select the arrow you want to use. Once you've made your selection, tap Insert to add it to your document. If you want to add multiple arrows, simply repeat the process, select another arrow, and tap Insert again. This method is perfect if you only need simple arrows as symbols within your text. Another method for adding arrows is by using shapes. Go back to the Insert tab and tap Shapes. Under the Lines section, you'll find several arrow options. Choose the arrow style you prefer, then click and drag your mouse on the page to position the arrow exactly where you want it. After placing it, you can customize it further. Tap the arrow to select it, then use the Shape Outline option to change its color. You can also adjust the thickness, style, or even make it dashed or solid by tapping Shape Style. This gives you more flexibility, especially if you're creating diagrams or visual guides. Finally, you can also insert arrows from the black arrow shapes available in the Shapes menu. Just like the other shapes, you can place them anywhere in your document, adjust the color, fill, outline, and weight to match your document style. This method is useful when you want bolder arrows that stand out more or need a consistent style for multiple arrows. Using these methods, you can easily add arrows to your document, customize their look, and make your content more professional and visually appealing. Experiment with the different arrow styles and formatting options to see which works best for your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.